first tower in the desiccant cooling system. What we've got here is a container full of our desiccant fluid. It's a combination of water and rock salt to remove moisture from the system. We've got our pump down here, which pumps the fluid through, and it goes across bioballs to increase the surface area of the fluid. And we've got a fan to blow air across the fluid as it's moving through the system. Okay, we're gonna run our system now. We have a starting temperature of 73 degrees. We've got the probe in our container of desiccant, and we're gonna let it run for about 2 minutes, and then what we expect to see is the temperature of the fluid decrease. Okay, so after running the system for about 5 to 6 minutes, we've dropped the temperature about 3 degrees.